AZ. Let's get it. Just made it here in Arizona, and I'll say that we got a nice, rented out a nice little whip. I might have to give me one of these Broncos right here. I like this colorway is actually fire. But I'm about to go ahead and hit this Airbnb up. I'm gonna show you guys what this Airbnb looks like, and y'all see some dope stuff from there, you know. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay in tune with what we got going on here in Phoenix. Where the key at? He said the key somewhere. Okay, what's this right here? Oh, he got the subscription. I'm gonna need me one of these.
The white key card on the center console.
Yeah, that's for that. Where the fuck is the key at? Where the key at though?
To scan to the black kiosk to exit. Please be sure to leave the key.
But I just want to show y'all the view that I have to count. There's the Bronco. Y'all don't think y'all really seen it like how y'all should have seen it, but there you go. But yeah, this is the view. As y'all see, pretty much this is the view right here. It's pretty dope. I fuck with it though. Yeah, we're gonna go into the spot and see what's up, and I'll check in from there. Got in. Yup. Alright y'all, so I want y'all to check out this Airbnb. It's my first time, y'all first time too. So we got the kitchen. This is fire, got a whole lot upstairs. Nice view though. Oh shit, nice. This is probably like one of the best views I've seen in AZ. They got games. Little tub. I'm gonna walk up here, see what they got up here. I could easily fall. That's crazy. Oh wow. Look at this, y'all. Got a nice little patio. Okay, solo. I love this door. Farm door. Nice. Nice. Hey, this ain't bad. So yeah, y'all. So y'all see what we got. We about to, well, I don't know. Let me figure it out, but change, and then probably hop out and see what's outside, and enjoy this view, and then enjoy this coolness for a bit. Cause I'm in Chicago. I'm in the Chicago fit, not an Arizona fit. So yeah, stay tuned for that. All right, y'all. So I'm here at oh, this touchscreen. I am here at T-Mobile. I'm actually looking for an iPad, just because I'm gonna be traveling more and I need something to like move. So I was thinking this Pro, but since I'm actually gonna get the laptop still, I'm gonna just get something small like this with the keyboard. Still be able to do my work, still be able to trade, and do what I gotta do. Make sure you guys go check out copycrusher.io if you want to learn how to become a profitable trader. Let's see, copycrusher.io. Damn. Alright, y'all. So I basically got what I needed from T-Mobile. I needed me a iPad, so I got this iPad. This is the 10th gen. I needed this, baby. I literally needed this, so I just said, fuck it, I'll grab it. But I got it. I just ordered. I was gonna purchase their keyboard, but it was like $250, and then you know everybody like, nah, just go on Amazon. So I went on Amazon and got a way better one, which would let me swivel it like a laptop. Even though I got this was needed. I'm gonna actually use this when I travel until I get the laptop, and then I feel like once I get the actual laptop, I'll probably still keep this for whatever, or maybe let my son use it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I can also text and call on this too, which is very inconvenient because I have 3 lines now. I literally have 3 lines, which is pointless. I have another second line, and then now apparently I got this, and then I got the one that I'm recording off, which is my phone now. So I thought that was pretty stupid. So I'm gonna actually call T-Mobile, cancel that shit, cancel my second line, or shit, I probably should just cancel this. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah. Basically, I just want to talk about this week real quick about trading. This week actually was a pretty shitty week. And the only reason why I'm saying that is just because I lost like, what, $2,000 this week? I ended up losing anything because S&P this week did great, and then after that I just lost everything. So yeah, this is what happens in trading. Sometimes you win it, sometimes you lose it, you know, but the end goal is to always make sure you're consistent no matter what. And if anybody was to ask me, well, how did you lose it? What made you lost the $2,000? Honestly, it was just a setup that wasn't really a great setup, and I could have done better, especially considering that, you know, I'm very disciplined when it comes to waiting on these things. Well, that's what I'm supposed to be, right? But basically, just to sum it up, I took a pretty shitty trade. I held the trade overnight, took a tremendous L, and so I guess today y'all just gonna follow me today. Other than that, I'm pretty much done for the week. Basically, y'all see right here, I'm pretty much done for the week. It's a Friday now, so it's just actually now enjoy my week and go from there. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure if you guys aren't tapped in with HankoX, tap in down below. Also, if you guys want to get in tune with the copier that we are using called copycrusher.io, make sure you tap into copycrusher.io. So you guys see here, this is pretty much the marketplace side of copycrusher.io. This is the story side, so any trader get to post their story, and it will show all of the details here, which will drive them back to their Discord or Telegram community. Also, here is pretty much all of the cards. So if, let's say, I want to join this trader because I'm looking at their stats, I see their profits is pretty good. I see their win rate is about 68. They took a total of 2,700 trades. I can look at the P&L record here. I can look at the total people that is copying them. I can also look at some very good general basic analysis, and then the ROI chart here, P&L chart here. I can check all the reviews. I can check about the strategy, and they can post up to 3 different strategies. So let's say that I didn't like this strategy, but I like this strategy, or I love this strategy about this trader. What I can do is hit start copying, and then it will allow me to copy from either MT4DX trades. It doesn't matter. We can do multipliers, right? We can determine if we want to copy stop loss, copy orders, and then we get to select the pairs that we want to copy. Also, we can do mapping. So let's say that your broker might have gold differently than his broker, you or her broker. You can definitely set that here, and then once you set all that up, you're basically now loaded to copy from this trader. Another great thing is this is a Discord community where basically they can come into the platform. You can copy their Discord signals or the Telegram signals without you having to manually enter into your trading account, or you can just join a community without having to do any of that. Another nice thing too is that I don't want to show y'all too much here because I feel like I'm giving away a lot of gems. But another nice thing is that you can also add your own account, so you can copy your own account. So right now we don't have all the accounts in here, but we're working on getting the Bybit, Coinbase, I think Binance. We're also getting Ninja Trading on here. We already have the general Trade Locker MT4, MT5, DX trades, but we're also working on Match Trader, Act Trader, and pretty much, yeah, we're working on a couple of things. Option platforms, we're gonna be having Think and Swim on here eventually, and so forth. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Like I said, stay tuned for all of this. It's gonna be a really dope experience. And you guys can copy from your OC Trader too. And you got in Trading View, that's another big thing, Trader Vape. But you guys can trade from, your MT4 all the way to your Trade Locker accounts and all that fun stuff. So tap in if you guys want that link. Other than that, yes sir. Y'all, what's good? Another day, another dollar today. Just gonna be getting my pedicures, and then also going to get like some salad, something like that. And then also, I think Monday, I'm gonna do the hot air balloon that they got. I think that's pretty dope. So I'm gonna do the hot air balloon. Y'all gotta stay tuned for that. That's gonna be a dope experience. We're gonna do a nice little fit check today. Ooh, here you go. Yeah, your boy, Chicago style, in Arizona, Phoenix. Feel me? So, yeah. Other than that, though, ain't too much else going on. I'm about to hop in this car, and then, yeah, I don't know. But there we go. About to get this day going, man. Got this bowl. Just smacking. Let me see yours. Smacking. Smacking, lacking. I think mine is better than yours. Let me see. Yours look good, but I think mine is better. About to eat this though. Came from Berry. It's pretty good. Alright, y'all can't see me. Hopefully y'all can, but I am here in an illusion. And I'm spinning around. I am spinning around. Oh shit. Oh. That's cool. You know, one way to this? Ah. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. My camera flash will help us. Ha ha ha. Ha ha.
Oh, you gonna cheat your way through?
So y'all probably wondering why I'm in a new location in Arizona. We're right now in Scottsdale. But the reason being is because the electric. Oh, it just took forever. The AC went out, or it wasn't working, and the previous place which we were at, which had amazing view. Don't get me wrong, the view was beautiful. The hills was amazing. I got everything I need to get content-wise for you guys to see that, so I feel like I'm good there, so I'm not gonna trip too much about it. But I'm actually at a new location. Had to get a new location. So this is pretty much where I'll show you guys what it looks like here. I feel like the other one I didn't show you too much of it, but this is pretty cool. It's not bad. We in Scottsdale, Arizona, for anybody that is familiar with Arizona. Basically, it has a nice little area here. TV. We have a dining kitchen. If anybody loves kitchen, this is it. We also have washer and dryer. And here we have a half bathroom. Nothing special about that. Back there's the backyard, and then over that gate is where we parked at, so that's cool. Upstairs, I'll show you guys that, which is pretty cool. It's king size beds, which is convenient. 2 king size beds, so we have king size in here. There's a king size bed in here. There's a closet. I don't even see this one. I don't even know what this is. Oh yeah, I do remember that. Closet. we got that's pretty dope. And then also over here, got another king size, another closet space. This one's bigger. Another bathroom. There you go. Yeah. And then, like I said, we're in Scottsdale, so I guess I'll say the cool thing about, like I said, the cool thing about this one is more convenient. It's a more convenient space. But like I said, it definitely doesn't beat the view that we had, which was $1 million shot, $1 million view. But we got what we got, you know. I think that was pretty much dope. And other than that, yeah, shall see more.